Very good morning, students. Welcome to the Jnana Sudha coaching classes. Okay, we are now running with the chapter metals and non-metals. Previously, 3 sessions already over. We discussing about that. First, physical and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. In chemical properties means chemical reactions of metals. Okay, chemical reactions of metals, reaction with air, water, acid and other metal solutions. Today we discussing about the metals reacts with non-metals combined to form the compounds. Okay, metals plus non-metals. Metals and non-metals combine to form the compounds. These are the take place because of the chemical reactions takes place. Means because of the electrons gaining and taking process takes place in between the metals and non-metals. They form the bonds. Okay. Mainly first you discussing about the basic concept wise electronic first you know the electronic configuration. If you know the reactions taking place between metals and non-metals, first you know the electronic configuration. Okay, normally metals will give the electrons non-metals will taking the electrons from the other metals, taking the electrons from metals. Okay, first you know the electronic configuration, then we will discussing about this process. Okay, before you know into the electronic configuration, you know the idea about protons, neutrons, electrons. Know the structure of atoms. Okay. Structure atom you previously learned in previous classes. Now I give a brief hint. This is the nucleus. In nucleus center protons plus neutrons are there. Then around the nucleus orbits are there. In these orbits are electrons. Electrons will revolving. Okay. Now you know the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration, when it tells about the address of the electrons, when the metals and non-metals combine to form the compounds in the reaction taking place, electrons gaining and taking process are there. They will be taking between the atoms and they will be form the bonds. Okay, so you must know the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration which tells about the address of the electrons, in which cell electrons present, how much electrons present. We will learn the electronic configuration in which cell is there. Okay, now this is a structure of atom. Normally first I will tell the electronic configuration. This is a nucleus of atom. Okay, electrons is revolving around the nucleus. Okay, in this outer here cells also called and orbits also called. Now first cell is the K shell. noted as 1. Okay. Second cell is L cell. It is noted as 2. Okay. Third cell, it is noted as M. Noted as a third cell. Fourth cell is noted as N cell. Noted as a fourth cell. Means around a nucleus. Means around nucleus orbits are there. K orbits, L orbits, M orbits, N orbits. Means I also call the shell. K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. These like shells are there. First you know the K, L, M, N 4 shells. If you learn this, and then you will write the electronic configuration easily. In K shell means these are like bigger cities. K city, L city, N city, N city. In K shell it is a small city. In this K shell subcells are there. Subcells means in cities some colonies are there like streets. Okay. In K city one sub cell means small colony, that is the S. In K shell only S colony is there. Next, L city is quite bigger than the K. It has the 2 colonies. That is the S and P. Okay. Next, M is quite bigger than the L. Here is the 3 colonies are there. S, P, D. Okay. In M cell there are 3 orbits are there, 3 subcells. S, P, D. M is quite bigger than the L cell. And come to the N cell, it has the 4 colonies. Means S, P, D and F. This is the idea of the cells. K cells 1 S cells and L cell SP, M cell SPD, in N cell SPDF. Means I noted as 1 K1 L2 M3 N4 like this. Okay, I will give the short trick to how to write the electronic configuration. Previously I got to tell in S subcell in S colony only 2 persons will be placed. Only it is capacity, it having the place the only 2 electrons. Come to the P cell, P subcell, only 6 electrons. Maximum in P cell we place only 6 electrons, and in D subcell maximum 10 electrons. In F subcell maximum 14 electrons you can place. Means capacity. In K cell S is only cell, it has capacity maximum 2 electrons. In L cell, S cell which has the maximum 2 cell, P cell which has the maximum of capacity of the 6 electrons. In S 2 P6 D 10 electrons, and in S cells 2 P6 D10 F 14 electrons. This is the basic idea of the SPDF cell, maximum capacity place the electrons. Okay. Now I will tell the one small tricks. Okay. small tricks. You will remember this. Here yes, yes, write it 2 times S. Next PS, PS. Next DPS, DPS. Wait. I will cover this area. Tricks. Okay. Yes, S. Next PS, PS. Next DPS, DPS. Next FDPS, FDPS. Yes, you will first learn the place the SSLC. Whatever you take to remember, you make your tricks. You will write this first 2 times S, P 2 times PS, 2 times DPS, 2 times FDPS. Okay. Now I will tell the electrons. Okay, how will the first tricks? KS1. S starts with 1. K shell is 1. Here is the 1. I starts with the 1. 1S, then 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S, 7S, and 8S. Next, K shell is already filled. In KS means filled. KS. In K shell, no P colonies are there. In L shell only P. P shell starts with noted identity 2. Not starts with 1. In K shell we not having the P colony. Okay. So we start with directly 2. 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P, and 6P and 7P. Okay. Now D. Now we also D in starts with M shell. Okay. Now D in M. Okay. Not starts with 2. Starts with 3D. Okay. 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Now F is also same. Starts with the 4, 4A, 5A. This is this tricks. Whatever atomic number is there, first this remember these tricks. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3p. How will we write? I told. Now you follow the electronic configuration. I will write this some examples in next. I will rub this. Okay, take a screenshot of this. I keeping the tricks. I will rubbing this shell diagram. I am writing this shell diagram. Okay, first remember this. Okay, 1s, 2s. How will we write it? First write it 2 times SS. Second 2 times PS. Third 3 times 3PS. Fourth 2 times of 4D PS. Okay. Now take a column. How will we write the electronic configuration? First atomic number, element. Next electronic configuration. I write a short EC, electronic configuration. Now atomic number 1 means atomic number 1 which represents the number of electrons present in the atom. Okay, which one has the atomic number 1? That element is not hydrogen. Hydrogen is the 1. Hydrogen which have the 1. How will we write? It has the 1 atomic number. Okay. How will write the electronic configuration? In first here 1s. Okay. In 1s orbit. In maximum place the 2 electrons, but its atomic number is 1. Okay. You will write the 1. Okay. In previously you writing the like as 1 chapter. Okay. Electronic configuration of hydrogen, you will write the 1s1. Okay. Take the second atomic number 2. Its element is helium. Okay. How will we write the electronic configuration? 1s2. Okay. In S shell we place only maximum of the 2 electrons. Now it will write the 2. Now K shell is already fulfilled now. Okay. Second, third will be lithium. Okay. Lithium. Okay. How will we write? First 1s 2 electrons, 3 is there. One more is taken as a 2s1. 2s1. How will we write the electronic configuration? 2, 1. If 2s1 means it is come under the L city, means L shell. Okay. Now I will take the fourth. Fourth is beryllium. Okay. Beryllium. How will we write the beryllium electronic configuration? 1s 2, 2s 2, s2, 2. You will write the short note. Means maximum electrons placed in the s orbits only 2. 2, 2. Okay. I will write the next. Will boron. Okay. Boron means we write the B. Okay. B. First 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2 already filled. Next we go to the 2p1. Means 2 plus 2, 1 will be remaining. 1 is the 2p1. 2, 3. Yes. Now understand. Now sixth. Sixth is carbon. Sixth is carbon. How will we write? First 1s2, next 2s2, next 2p6. 2p in p orbits maximum place the 6 electrons. We now so atomic number of the carbon is 6. 2 already in K shell, L shell 4. Next 2, 2, 4. Yes, understand? Next 6, not 6, 7. Sorry. 7 is nitrogen. 7 is nitrogen. How will we write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 2, 5. Next 8 is oxygen. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 2, 6. Next 9 fluorine. Yes, 9th one fluorine. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 2, 7. Next 10th one neon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now 2 comma 8. Here is a P. Shell is already filled. Okay. 2p6. Next, I will write the 11th. 11th one is a sodium. Observe this. Yes. Here 2, 2, 4, 6. 2, 2, 6, 10. Next go take the 3s1. Now M shell. Okay, I will write the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next 3s1. 2 comma 8 comma 1. Okay. Next 11, 12. 12th one is magnesium. Yes, how will you write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 2 comma 8 comma 2. Next 13th is aluminum. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. S orbits already filled. Next taken as the 3p1. 3p1. 2 comma 8 comma 3. Yes. Now similarly, first you understand this. Okay. This is easy way to writing the electronic configuration. Here is one. First fill the 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 4p, 4s like this. This is a tricks. You will write this. I hope all of you understand this writing this electronic configuration. This is a very important basic step for all of you. Okay. Please remember these tricks. I will give not homework. Please you comment. Remaining 20. Okay. Remaining 20. Write the electronic configuration. Put in your comment. Okay. All of you understand this concept. Please like and share and subscribe our channel. Okay. Thank you.